You're gonna love the 2024 Chevrolet Trailblazer. With less than 25,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. This cleverly crafted Trailblazer delivers convenience, comfort, and style in a fresh, modern package. Fold-flat seats let you make the most of this small SUV's surprisingly spacious interior. And you'll enjoy the journey more than ever before thanks to connected touchscreen infotainment and driver assist safety tech. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: heated steering wheel, wireless charging station, pre-collision system, intelligent auto on-off high beams, lane departure warning, panoramic roof, hands-free liftgate, keyless entry, adaptive cruise control, premium sound system. Don't miss the chance to enjoy the comfort and convenience of this modern-minded Trailblazer. Our team will give you an outstanding test drive experience. Stop in today.